In this video, I will show you the proper way to take a macro shot. I will show you two methods. One is normal mode method and another one is pro mode method. In the case of normal mode, open the camera and go close to the subject. Tap on your subject and click the photo. And in pro mode, go to the pro mode. Go close to the subject, tap on your subject, tap on focus, select the autofocus, tap on the screen and click. Let's check which one is better. This is normal mode and this is pro mode. Which photo you think better? Let us know in the comment section. You can also try vertical and portrait mode also. You can also down the exposure, go to the focus and make it full. Now click. You can see a huge difference from the two photos. Which one is better? Comment below.